In this video, I'm going to explain the surface tool, which is a type that can be used to create solid features and describe the connected zero thickness geometries. Also, showing the difference between lofted and boundary features. Surface tools are accessible on the surface toolbar. Many other tools are available. I'll talk about them later. I'm gonna design a tray. Draw a center rectangle, dimension it, and fillet the corners. Head up to the surface and select extruded surface. As you see, only the edges are extruded, which is the case. Fill the surface to construct a surface patch within a boundary defined by existing model edges, curves, or sketches. By doing so, I've got that raised floor. To create the grips, a swept surface must be used. It's the same way that we have done with the features method. Click on the I button and check it out. In this section, any design we create in its inner gonna be null. The tray is ready. Let's design the goblet. Adding multiple planes to create a goblet. We have lectured before on how to add planes and how to lofted boss. Hit the I button, you'll find them out. We draw in each plane a circle with a different dimension. A boundary boss and cut features are used the same way as lofted. They differ in one way, which is, in the loft feature, you have the control of tangency magnitude and the direction in the start and the end. You can't control the tangency of the profile that are between the start and the end profile curvature, while in boundary feature you have the control of tangency of one or more profiles in one or two directions. You should use boundary tools if you want to deliver high quality and accurate features in creating complex shapes. Loft the base of the glass by choosing boundary boss, then select the lofted surface and press over the rest of the circles. Hide the planes. To add water, juice, wine, any drink you want, add planes and draw a circle in each plane. Select Boundary Boss feature to fill the glass up. We will talk about adding materials in another video. This is a goblet of water and a goblet of juice. To revolve the surface, let's carry out a champagne glass. A surface of revolution is a surface in Euclidean space created by rotating a curve around an axis of rotation. After finishing the 2D sketch of the glass, we revolve it. Add planes and draw a circle in each one to fill it as we did before. I hope this video was helpful. Please subscribe to help me back. I'll catch you next time.